Hi, my name is Lauren Cogswell, and today I'm going to be presenting how do clouds make rain. And in this activity right here, it's going to show how rain invisibly evaporates up to the clouds, and in the clouds it forms into tiny water droplets, and then the water droplets will fall into a lake or a pond or an ocean, and those three places are also where the water can come from to evaporate up to the clouds. So here's what you need: a clear jar, water, shaving cream or Cool Whip because we didn't have shaving cream, and some blue food coloring. The procedure is: step 1, put the water in a cup. The water represents air. Step 2, put a shaving cream cloud on the top. The cloud is water droplets. Step 3, put blue food coloring on the cloud. This shows when the water gets heavier. Step 4, wait to see what happens when the water gets heavy on the cloud. So here's the activity. So we poured in the water for the air, and then after we pour in the water for the air, we're gonna put some Cool Whip on top for the cloud. And if you leave spaces, you can leave spaces, or you can make just a ton of it on the top. But I'm gonna try to leave some spaces, because the less cloud there is in that spot, that means in that spot with the less cloud, that means that it's gonna come down. That means the food coloring is gonna go through the cloud. But if the whole thing's just cloud, it won't go through. It's gonna have to tilt through on the sides. So then we can open our food coloring, and then we can just pour a few droplets in. And up on top of the cloud, the blue on top of the cloud is that's where it is forming the droplets. And then when it gets down here, it's falling into like the lake or ocean or pond. See down there, it's falling as the rain. And up here, you can see it's forming the droplets. And there's some light spots up there, so some of it's going through the clouds because I left some holes. And there's some light spots with barely any cloud, so those are the spots where it's gonna come down. And then all of that evaporates up again, and it's the cycle again. And then here's the conclusion. The food coloring water went through the cloud, which is water droplets, to make rain. And then here's a picture of when I did the experiment later today. Bye, thanks for watching.